Hey guys, Unk here with a new review. If you want to recycle the old cabling that you have, from electrical work at home or whatever, and you need to remove that outer insulation, this can help you do it much faster. Let me bring you closer and show it to you. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this tool. So this removes the outer layer, the insulating layer on cables. So first we start with some instructions here on how to operate it. We're going to strip some wire here, so we'll do that together. So here we've got the crank, and here is the stripper. Okay, so you can hand crank it, or you can attach a drill to it, and you can do it that way also. So this is a benchtop version. This goes bolted onto a benchtop, and then the crank here. I'll show you what I'm going to do here at home to be able to use it. All right, so that's the cutting wheel. Very, very sharp, so be careful. And here you adjust up and down to what diameter wire you're running through. So again, the handle, they include some tools and the attachment screws so you can screw it onto your workbench. And cutting blades, so if it gets dull, you've got replacements. All right, let me go ahead and set this up, and let's go ahead and try to strip some wire. All right, I have the wire stripper mounted. I got a piece of 2x4, just put a couple of screws in it, and it's mounted on my vise there. I did adjust this plate. I moved it up a little bit. We're going to be doing some 8-gauge wire. That's what we're going to be putting through it. And of course, the top adjustment here. I'll show you how all that works. So the wire will be coming out of here, and you'll see that in a minute. All right, so I'm feeding the wire through. So I'm moving this adjustment screw down to put more pressure on the wire. Right there, you should see it. Okay, I will back you up in a minute now so you can see it actually working. Yeah, I think it works fantastic. Very simple, and you can remove the hand crank and put in a drill and use the drill to power it. Yeah, works fantastic. So there's the wire that we just stripped, and now it's all cut up. So all we got to do now is just remove the insulation. Just like that. Yeah. It works fantastic. Look at that. Fantastic. All right, that does it for my review. I hope that helps. Till next time.